Welcome back! Today we're solving rational equations from your worksheet 8.6, Solving Rational Equations. Starting with number 1, I have x over 4 equals x plus 2 over 2. So there was two methods we talked about in class. The first method was to solve a rational equation by cross multiplying. And this seems like a really good candidate for that method because I have one equation on each side of the equal sign. So I'm going to go ahead and do that cross multiplying. X times 2 gives me 2x. And if I multiply 4 times x plus 2, I have to make sure I distribute the 4 in so that it becomes 4 times x plus 2. When I distribute that 4, I'll get 4x plus 8. Now to solve for x, I'm going to subtract 4x from each side. I'll get negative 2x equals 8. Divide by negative 2, and x equals negative 4. So the biggest thing when cross multiplying, make sure you distribute completely. Number 6, we're going to use the other method of solving, which is to multiply by the LCD. And remember, LCD means least common denominator. So I have to look at these and think about, okay, what is the least common denominator between 3x, 6, and 3x? Well, comparing my numbers, the least common denominator between 3 and 6 is 6. If I compare my variables, the least common denominator between x and x is still x. So my least common denominator here is 6x. So I have to multiply 2 over 3x times 6x. 1 over 6 times 6x, and 4 over 3x times 6x. When I do that, my denominators should all cancel out. Here, the 3 and 6 will cancel, and I'll be left with 2 on the top, and the x's will cancel. So I end up having 2 times 2, which is 4. Over here, my 6's will cancel, so I end up having 1 times x, which is just x. On this side, my 6 and 3 will cancel, and that leaves me with 2, and my x's will cancel completely. So 4 times 2 is 8. If I subtract then 4 from each side, I'll get x equals 4. If you have any additional questions, please see me and Mr. Daniels, and enjoy the rest of your homework.